Thank you. Okay. Can you tell me again how you want to be addressed, just so I can add notes in?
You
Is it
can
just
call me
use
Timothy.
Timothy? Okay, cool.
That's it. All
Sure.
right. So
Ask
they
first.
is the court attempting to enter a plea on my behalf
We
because
have to. Yeah, we
that
have to.
no. I would not again, I specifically said I am not pleading to anything. Okay. Now I'm
Yeah,
not entering any plea whatsoever, not of guilty or non-guilty or no contest. I am not entering a plea whatsoever. If the court
you're
is
not.
attempting to enter a plea on my behalf, how do
Yep.
I get a recording of these proceedings? I would need a recording of these proceedings so that I can submit it to the Federal Court of Complaints.
Yeah. Give me a half a second. I'll find the law for you. Is it 45 or 45A? Yeah, the Texas law says if somebody refuses to enter a plea, the court has to enter a plea of not guilty for them.
What law is that?
It's Texas
Is
Code
that a
of Criminal
statute? Is it a
Procedure.
law or is it a
Yeah,
statute?
I'm not playing that game with you.
No. I'm asking you a question. Okay, well, tell
Yeah,
me
it's a
what it is.
Texas
It's
statute,
45
Court of
what?
Criminal Appeals. So Texas Code, um, Texas Code of Criminal Procedure is the statute. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure.
Okay, so it's a code. Okay, 1 second.
But I mean, all of these issues are pretrial issues that we discuss. I'm fine talking with you now. That's perfectly fine. But are issues that we can discuss at a pre-jury hearing.
Well, in order for me to sign that paper, I would have
No,
to
I don't need a
agree
signature. I
to you
told my
guys
clerk.
entering, saying that, well, she's saying that I have to sign it, and if I don't sign it, I'm gonna have a warrant out for my arrest. And I told her I did not enter a plea of not
Yeah,
guilty,
no,
so
you're good.
therefore I can't sign it.
My clerk's I'm gonna have my docket clerk go up there and help solve that problem. We don't need a signature from you.
How do I get a recording of these proceedings?
I mean, you can file that request. What is it that you need? Yeah, there we go. I found it. I can show it to you. Hold on.
I
Share.
just need to know, how do I get a recording of this for right now? Right now, I really want to know, how do I get a recording of these proceedings? That's
Just subscribe to Law Talk with Mike.
it. I need to get this.
Yeah, I mean, you could file that request in writing. There it is. I'm showing it to
With,
you on the
with
screen.
who?
To
With
the
who?
court. Yeah, to the court. Yep. If a defendant refuses to plead, I'm showing it to you on the screen. If a defendant refuses to plead, the judge or justice shall, I have no option, shall enter a plea of not guilty.
Okay,
I don't know how to interpret that any other way. I mean,
that's
it's a
fine.
statute that's
Yeah. You guys, you do what you feel you have to do. So I'm just trying to make sure, if I submit a request for the recording, this recording of these proceedings to, I guess, is it the Denton Municipal Court clerk?
sure. Yes.
All right, and I'm gonna be able to get a recording of these, of saying that I did not enter a plea and that you guys had to enter a plea. It's a code that you guys have to follow, code, not any law.
Yeah, I'm not going to guarantee an outcome, but that's where you would submit a request, is through the court clerk.
Oh, so you guys don't guarantee that I'll get a copy? Okay, there's no guarantee that I'll get a copy of these recordings.
Yeah, I can't give you legal advice on how to handle a process issue.
No.
You can submit that request to the court and the court will review it.
Okay, so, and is somebody coming up there so that I don't have to sign? And is there gonna be a warrant out for my arrest if I do
No.
not sign?
No, I
I
don't
will
like
be up
talking about
there.
warrants. Yeah,
Timothy,
Well, she told me,
Timothy, I'll be up
Yes.
there in just a minute.
bailiff's
Okay.
going to
Walk
help.
down to the courts with you and we'll get it taken care of.
because I'm gonna show up for my pre-trial.
Just hang on.
And I'm gonna
We're
make
done
sure
here,
I
Tim.
want
We'll be there in
to
one
a
second.
jury trial. I'm gonna follow all the processes. It's
Perfect.
just, she said I
Yeah.
had to sign
No,
in
you're
order,
good.
or I was gonna have a warrant. And
Yeah.
on that paper, it says plea of not guilty. And I specifically
Cross that out. If you don't
explicitly-
want to sign that, cross that out. Yeah, you can cross that out if you're not entering a plea. But you don't have to sign. I'm telling you. You get to take that paper home with you without your signature on it. But I just want you to have the court date. That's my only thing. I want you
Okay.
to know when to come back, but I don't need a signature from you.
And I
Like,
just want to make sure I'm not gonna have a warrant out for my arrest by
no.
not. So I'm
If
gonna
that was
submit
told
a
to you, if that was told to you, we'll fix that problem. But yeah,
Okay, so
but
I'm gonna submit a request for these recordings.
if you want, yeah. Yeah.
Bailiff
is coming just to make sure that you're good and that you have the paperwork that you need. You're not in trouble or anything like that. He's the nicest person in the world.
I appreciate Officer Todd coming to help me. I appreciate it. I'll welcome him.
Perfect.
Okay, that's it.
Awesome.
I just want to make sure I'll be there for whatever the trial date is.
Perfect.
But I'm not signing that paper that says I pled guilty because I explicitly did not.
Yep, you don't have to. You're good.
All right.
All right, we'll see you in about a month, Tim.
The key legal mistake in this case was the defendant's reliance on unsupported sovereign citizen claims, including special representation and repeated refusal to state identity or citizenship. These pseudo-legal strategies are widely circulated online but have no grounding in actual law, making them ineffective in real courtrooms. The judge responded with calm authority, focusing on the essential facts of the case: charges, identity, and lawful procedure. By refusing to entertain irrelevant claims while allowing officers to maintain order, the judge preserved courtroom decorum and reinforced the importance of procedure over personal belief. This case demonstrates a core legal principle. Courts operate on codified law and established procedure, not personal interpretations or internet-driven theories. For viewers, it's a vivid lesson in why sovereign citizen arguments fail and the importance of adhering to proper legal processes. Observing how the judge handles confusion and audacious claims provides valuable insight into courtroom dynamics, emphasizing that adherence to procedure and respect for jurisdiction are crucial for the legal system to function effectively.